In this video, you'll learn how to build a to-do list in Notion. By the end of this guide, you will have created a functional task management system that can help you stay organized and focused. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Notion, which is notion.so. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. Next, locate the button that says Add a Page on the left sidebar. This action will allow you to create a new page where your to-do list will reside. After clicking this button, a new page will be generated, ready for customization. Once the new page opens, you will see a prompt. To enter a title, click on the title area and type in to-do list. This title will help you identify the purpose of this page at a glance within your workspace. After that, click on any blank space on the page to finalize the title. This step ensures that your title is saved and that you can proceed to add content to your to-do list. Type to-do list again in the blank space. This repetition is important as it prepares the page to contain your tasks and ensures the title is clear. Now click on the newly created to-do list heading. This action will activate the area where you can start adding your tasks. Begin by typing in your first task, which you can label as task 1. This input is crucial as it forms the basis of your to-do list and will help track your activities. Continue by typing in your second task, labeling it as task 2. Adding multiple tasks allows you to manage various responsibilities efficiently. Next, click on the to-do list heading once more to make sure you are in the correct section for further modifications. This marks the first part of your to-do list set. If you wish to add more tasks, you can continue typing them in the same manner. Now click on a blank space on your page. This action will create room for additional features and modifications to your to-do list. Proceed to type database. This setup will enable you to track tasks more dynamically using Notion's database functionalities. After typing database, click on the word database to access the database features available in Notion. Then click on new page to create a new entry within the database. This step is essential for adding specific tasks into your task management system. Next, type in task 1 for your database entry. This input will represent the first task within the database structure. Click on new page again to add another entry for your second task. This allows you to expand your task list as needed. Type in task 2 for this new entry to maintain consistency in your task management. To enhance your to-do list, click on Add Property. This feature enables you to customize how tasks are displayed and organized. Select Checkbox from the available property options. This addition allows you to mark tasks as completed easily. Next, click on Filter to set parameters for how tasks will be viewed or sorted in your list. Select Checkbox once more to ensure your to-do list is equipped with the necessary properties to manage tasks effectively. Click on Unchecked to set the default state for your tasks, indicating that they are not yet completed. Add a new view by clicking on Add New View. This feature allows you to create different perspectives of your task list. Choose Table as your new view format. This organization style can help you visualize your tasks better. By Incomplete to label this new view, helping you identify tasks that still need attention. Click on Done to finalize your current setup, marking this stage of the to-do list creation as complete. Add another new view by clicking on Add New View again, allowing for further customization. This time, select Calendar to view tasks in a calendar format, which can help with scheduling. Click on Done to save this calendar view, enhancing your ability to track deadlines and task timings. Select Table once more to switch back to the table view for a different perspective. Click on Date to add date properties to your tasks, which will help you keep track of deadlines. When the calendar appears, it indicates that your date functionality is active, allowing you to assign deadlines to tasks. Choose a date for your first task to set a deadline. This helps in managing your time effectively. Select a date for your second task as well, ensuring both tasks have clear timelines. Finally, click on a blank space to confirm your selections and finalize your to-do list setup. Click on the first checkbox to mark the first task as complete, indicating progress. Click on the second checkbox to mark the second task as done, reinforcing your task management process. Select and complete if you need to revert any task back to its original state. To view your tasks again, click on Calendar. This will allow you to see all tasks with their respective deadlines.